Good morning, you guys. Kaiser just got back from Measy and Pup's cabin. He slept there last night. How'd you sleep?
Good.
It was good? Did you go to bed late? Yeah? That's fun. Do you want to show everyone what your elves got up to while you were gone? Your cheeky little elves. Where are they? Look! Those crazy elves. Abel, who now has been renamed Willie, is a bit of a larrikin. Look what he's doing to poor Jack. Is he gonna let go of him?
I don't know. Maybe he won't let go.
Maybe he won't. Maybe they'll be best of friends. Maybe they won't.
I wonder if they're gonna meet tomorrow.
We'll have to wait and see. Good morning, you guys. Today we are off to a stag farm. I don't even know what a stag is. I think it's a deer or something. So we're going to a stag farm, and then I think we're going to Mount Beauty, or we're going to go and try to go to a mountain and find snow. That's the plan this morning. The weather has improved. It's not currently raining at the moment, which is good. The sun's shining, so hopefully the weather will hold out for us and we can have a nice old day. Well done! You clocked solitaire.
Got a fireworks. I got fireworks.
That's so good.
That's
well
my
done.
first time getting one.
Good job, buddy. Did you see any stags?
I said so.
You did? Wow.
Hey, Kaisi.
Hello, stag friend.
Hi, do you have something
He's so cute. Oh, look at that slobber.
Right.
It's like, feed me. Oh, he slipped. Hi, guys. Hi. You're so cute. Hi. Put your feet out, babe. No, he says, oh, that's nice.
What about this one? He wants to be close.
Good job, buddy.
Now, what about the alpacas?
The pack is right there.
Oh, he just jumped the fence. Did you see that? This big guy here coming over just jumped the fence into the next lake. Hi. Are you a hungry baby? Look at this one.
Yeah.
Hi. You want to feed the baby? He's
Quick,
cute.
you've got to be quick, otherwise he'll get you.
So we're at the stag farm, feeding the stags and the emus and the little goats, and they're all so cute. I want to take home the llamas with me. I've always wanted to have a little pet llama.
There's one goat that's out.
Oh, really?
He was chasing the girls.
Was he?
Because they had food.
Yeah.
They thought he was...
That's funny. Thanks, Cozy Bear. Oh, he's so cute. I love you, little friend. Oh, you're so cute. Marshmallow.
That's marshmallow.
Hi. You're so cute. Oh, I love the little babies.
Feel the little horns, the little horns.
Yeah. Hi. Hi, baby. Yeah, you can pet them. Oh, hi. Hi, little darling.
But one's coming to you. One's not coming to you.
Look at that guy over the back. Oh, he knows I'm talking about him. He looked around. Yeah. He's pretty cute.
One came over to me straight away. Marshmallow. Yeah.
Aww. He's a tiny little one. Oh, look at the little black one. He's so fluffy. Hi, babies. Hi. Hi. He loves you. Oh, and he's eating my hair. I loves you. You're so cute. But I want this little black one. Little babies.
Hey,
Little babies.
one's not letting because I didn't feed him. Now can I pet you? A nice man up there gave me some more food.
Oh, that's so nice. Can I get one? Yeah, no.
I need some too. I know that.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Toad, we need this little black goat.
The lady said that we can name the little one. Yeah, the lady. A nice name.
Trying to nibble my hand. He loves you.
Hello.
Hi. He has the best curls ever. We need to give your fringe a little cut, don't we? We can't see. Kaisi, do you want to feed this little guy? Come and feed him. I'll feed him. Oh! Oh gosh, he like inhaled that. He must be hungry. Aww. Kaisi, this goat needs some. Look. Hi, baby. Oh, you're so cute. Look at your little pouty lips. Good boy. Good job, Kaisi. Whoa! 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 Oh my gosh! There's an emu fight going on. He's following you, look.
They all want me though. They want to attack. Face.
Do you want me to let him? Do you want me to hold it so he can do it?
Right. Oh, and here comes a big fella.
He gets one quick peck, that's it.
I fed the big one. Wait, where's it?
Hello, you are beautiful. Yes, you are. You gotta stand about a metre back, bud.
What's your meter?
A metre is 100 centimetres.
No, is this not you?
Careful with the big one, the back there.
Whoa,
Look at the size of this one.
Oh my god! Oh!
That one's so tall.
They love to fight those emus, don't they?
Look at how long that one's neck is.
So long.
Oh, it's so cute.
Oh, Ins, look. How cute. Look at this little guy. Oh, it's so pretty in here. Cute little gift shop. Yeah, bud. Okay, well, we'll sit it back for a sec and on the way out we'll grab it.
Oh, it's in the hole.
Wow, good job, Cozy!
Down the bottom here.
Hey, Dad, do you want to take my things? I'm just going to go ahead and pull it.
Look, come out the hole. Ellie, you can go. Ooh, nearly five.
So, Ella, now that's 4.
Just count your thing. Oh, guys, you too.
Good job, buddy!
That's 5.
Haven't eaten 5 for Ella.
I got 5.
That's it, buddy. Well done. Again?
All right.
Ready, set.
Oh, that was so close. You're nearly there. Tap it in. Tap it in.
Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Give it a little tappy. Tap, tap, tap-a-roo.
Good job, bud. Well done. Did you get it?
This was my
No,
first hit.
so close.
Wow, so
About 5
close.
tries.
Here she comes.
Hard.
Nice. Good job. Whoa! Okay, so we've left the Stag Farm and now we've come to Mount Buffalo to try and find some snow. Don't know whether we're going to, but we did find this really cool waterfall. I'm going to show you guys. We found a little bit of snow. But we can't go up any higher, and there would be more snow up higher. But at least we found a little bit. Cozy, cheeky boy. Oh, where's in my boot?
Throw it at Reese.
No!
Throw it at Poppy.
So here's the ski run over here and the ski lifts.
That's to get me before. What's your phone? Doesn't fall out the road.
You let me so I can get you. Mine's actually a fast runner. I'm looking at the camera. Imagine if I wet the camera.
There's another company that goes to the Chalet. Shut. Belong to the railway.
Run, Cozy! Oh, he got you! He got you good!
We'll turn right. But it's beautiful too. There might be snow there.
He missed me. Oh, Ella! Go back here!
Good dodging, Cozy. Oh my gosh, Ella.
Oh, I'm standing on it. Oh, I got snow on my. Oh, you
Cozy, we're walking in the clouds. Isn't that cool? Look, you can't see anything because we're in the clouds.
That's full of water, buddy. But you can just come on this bit here and you can look straight down.
Ooh, that's a big drop. Isn't it?
You like guys?
What do you think?
It's a long way down.
You wouldn't want to drop your phone over the edge here.
No, you wouldn't.
That's crazy. You can't see anything. Now at the lookout, and all we can see is fog. It's so cloudy up here. Looks cool. Yeah, I'll pick you up. And then down here, that is such a big drop. Woo.
That's 113 years ago.
We just came to visit this old-fashioned chalet that I don't think gets used anymore. But it's so cool. I'd stay here.
Oh.
Isn't it cool, Cozy? Such a big chalet. And here's how it looks in the snow.
Dropped all that poo.
It's so cute. Mum dropped all that poo.
Yeah, but did you see how big
So
it is?
pretty. I know, I asked the same thing. I'm like, what kind of animal can produce a turd that big? Don't worry, we're not going to show you guys the big poo that we found. But I tell you what, I don't think it came from a dog. Let's have a little sneaky peek in this room. It's so cute. Look at all the old-fashioned furniture it has. Okay guys, it has been a big day. We not long got home and then we quickly just got changed and we're gonna go out for dinner. Did you have fun today, cozy boy? Yeah. Playing in the snow? He's very tired. He fell asleep on the way home in the car and he's literally out of it. But we're just gonna go for a quick bite to eat at, I think it's called the Star Restaurant. And it should be good. It's our last night. I'm so sad, but we've had lots of fun. It was so much fun seeing the stags and all the animals and playing mini golf and the little baby deers. I wanted them so badly, especially that little black fluffy one that was so teeny tiny. I wanted to take that one home with us. And the elves are still hanging on by a thread. We literally saw Jack slip a little bit before, but he's still going strong. Here they are here. I think that maybe by the time we get home from dinner, they might be down. What do you think?
I don't know.
You don't know? Up dinner and have come out for a little walk, and I'm back at the Christmas shop because you guys, I just can't resist it. How pretty is it all lit up at night time? It's so stunning. I'll take you down and show you the windows down here, but oh my gosh, this shop is just incredible. Come and have a look at this little display down here. It's amazing. Look at that. I love these little gingerbread men so much. And this cute little tree. Is that not adorable? Oh, look at the little sparkly snowman. He's so sweet. And then, oh, that gingerbread house up there. I need to come back in. That one right there tomorrow and have a look at that. And this window's cute too with all the little bears. So cute. Alright, I need to head home because everyone's going to be wondering whereabouts I am. Alright, so I'm going to close out this vlog here. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so very much and I will see you all in our next video. Bye guys.
Oh, oh, oh.